Today, it looks like it's gonna be a super duper fun day because Zart's here, and look, he brought us a Ryan's World hammer. Let's see what he has to say. Boom, boom, pow! Let's get smashing, Zart! Oh my! It looks like we have a lot of magical vaults to open from Ryan's World. They look so amazing. A surprise in every safe? Wow. Let's get opening and see what surprises we have in store for us. The question remains, what's inside? Boom, boom, pow! Okay. Oh, this looks like a ring pop almost. Wow. It looks so neat. And then there's an arrow. I pulled the arrow. Oh, wow. It's glowing. It's so beautiful. I can't believe it. Boy, I'm gonna look super styling in my Magic Ryan ring. Boy, do I love this gift. Let's see what else we have inside the safes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take a look inside. I think it's Ryan. It is. It's Ryan from Ryan's World. He's wearing a super duper cool Ryan's World orange shirt. Wow. Boy, Ryan, you are super styling today. Let's see what's inside the bronze vault. Woo! There goes the door. Ooh. Are you seeing this? It looks like it's some magical tattoos. They're tattoos of Ryan and Gus. Wow, that is so magical. Okay, we'll save the golden vault for last. Oh wait, this one's super heavy. Okay, let's see what's inside this one, actually. I changed my mind. It's a ring, and it has the panda on it. Wow, I have 2 rings. I look super duper cool now. Can you believe it? Wow. Now it's time for the heavy silver vault. What's inside of it? It's seriously like super heavy. I think there might be a big giant rock inside that's that heavy. Whoa, I can't break through. Well, there goes the door. Okay. Whoa! Are you seeing this? Is this slime? It is a huge packet of blue slippery slime. It's so magical. Well, if you like this video, there goes Zart. Down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Like this video if you like Ryan's World, because I know I do.